Good morning, students. Students, this is a week of remedial English in which we will learn different usages. So, I taught you present simple tense in the last video. Students, today we are also going to have some more examples of present simple tense and I shall teach you affirmative sentence and the negative sentence in present simple, how to make this sentence and how to avoid the common mistakes that the people usually make. Let's look at the examples. Students, affirmative are those sentences which doesn't carry any negation or interrogations. They are simple sentences. And negative sentence are those sentences which carries negation. Let's have the examples of affirmative sentence. Students, let's look how to make sentences and where we have to make changes in sentence. Students, we use the following pattern to make affirmative sentence. Subject, verb with the addition of s, es, ies and the object. Students, we follow this pattern when we talk about the third person singular. Subject, verb and the object. This pattern is followed when we are talking about I, you, we, they and plural names. Let's understand by the example. He eats biryani every Friday. Here it changed into its because here we use he third person singular and every Friday is showing the habit. She goes to college daily. Again, the subject is here she, which is third person singular, and that's why go is changed to into goes, and it's showing the daily routine. It looks very nice. Friends, again, it is a third person singular, and we use it for animals and non-living things. Sana makes delicious food. Again, Sana is a third person singular name. That's why we are making changes in the verb make into makes. Ali is a pilot. He flies an aeroplane. Students, this sentence is showing the routine work and the verb changed fly into flies because of Ali. Ali is third person singular name. Parrot sings a song. Parrot is also a third person singular name. That's why sing changed into sings. I work each night. It's showing the routine work and I did not make changes in work because I is a first person singular. Students take Sunday class on Friday. Here again verb is in real form because students are third person plural. Not make changes with the plural names. You look after her family. Students, we do not make changes in verb with second person. You is second person. Police arrest thieves. Students, police is here third person plural name. That's why we are not making changes in verb arrest. It is in real form. We perform namaz daily. We is first person plural. That's why we are not making changes in verb perform. It is in real form and this sentence is showing their daily routine. They make paintings. It is their routine work and we did not change the make into makes because they is third person plural and we did not make the changes with plurals. Students, let's look at the negative sentence and how to make changes in negative sentences. Let's understand by the examples. We follow this pattern to make negative sentence. Subject, does not, verb, object. or subject, do not, verb, object. Students, let's look where do we use does not and where do we use do not. Students, when we use he, she, it or any single name, we make the negative with does not or doesn't. Students, doesn't is the abbreviation of do not. We may use. Students, on the other hand, I, you, we, they or plural name are used as subject, so we make negative with do not or don't, and don't is the abbreviation of do not. Students, let's understand by the giving chart. Students, he, she, it. Subject, either we use does not or doesn't, then we use verb. Here, verb in the real form. No changes is made in verb because we do not make changes in verb when we use does not. Students, as you know, he, she, it are third person singular. I, you and they. Student, here you is used as plural or singular because it contains both characteristics, and I and we are first person and they is third person. We use do not or don't when we have these subject or plural names. Then we use verb with real form. Look at giving example. She doesn't or does not start new diet. You don't or do not start new diet. Friends, let's understand by the examples. She teaches English. Here we will use does not and we will not make changes in the verb teach. She does not teach English. He loves pet animals. He doesn't love pet animals. It attracts the people. It does not attract the people. I did not write attracts in the negative sentence because the S of attract joined with does. This song makes her happy. This song doesn't make her happy. Alina stitches good clothes. Alina does not stitch good clothes. Friends, as you know, when we make negative sentence, we do not change the verb form. Just we change does not and the ses of verb converts into does. Friends, let's have the example of do not. Players play cricket. Players do not play cricket. Friends, you know that we use do not when we talk about the plural. Parents guide children. Parents don't guide children. Friends, as I told you, we can use either do not or don't. Aliza and Raza study at night. They don't study at night. Friends, here it's showing the routine work and I changed the Aliza and Raza into pronoun they and it is plural. We go to picnic. We do not go to picnic. I watch movies at Sunday night. I do not watch movies at Sunday night. You like ice cream. You don't like ice cream. Students, this is your assignment. After watching the video, do it and for well understanding, correct the sentences. Here, mistakes are given in the sentences. Rewrite the sentence and make it correct. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching the video.